This is the closing market report for Monday on the Iowa Agribusiness Radio Network. I'm Riley Smith. On the phone right now with Bill Moore of Price Futures Group as we wrap up another day in the ag marketplace. Bill, what have we seen going on in the grain and livestock markets to kick off this week?
It's kind of a mixed bag. Row crops are up. Corn's up about 5. Beans up 21. Wheat's down about 7 or 8 on profit taking. The market's got a lot of things going for it right now. On the worldwide stage, you've got the geopolitical issues. The two wars are going on. The Russian-Ukraine war is that they're increasingly attacking ag infrastructure. That's going to slow the exports. That's positive. U.S.-Iran is ramping up again. That's going to raise the fertilizer energy costs. That's positive for the price. So it's adding a war premium that way from the two different wars. Weather-wise, the European drought continues to be an issue. They're lowering their corn and wheat crop production over there, bringing the global stocks down. That's an upside factor for the grains. Also, here in this country, we're right in the reproductive stage for corn and beans, and we're getting next week's going to be another hot one, hot and dry. That's positive for the prices. So putting in a weather premium there, again, for the two wars, putting in a war premium. Plus the exports have been positive. We had 3 flash sales today, 2 of beans to China and 1 of corn to Colombia. Very positive. We've had record bean crush and strong biofuel demand, which has helped soy oil and corn. So domestic and foreign demand is good. Everything is pushing on the upside. So at least the path of least resistance is definitely on the upside. We had 10 a.m. inspections this morning. Again, a great number getting corn, 1.5 million metric tons. So we'll see how the weather fares for through the summer, but could bring these yields down to maybe beans under 180 and corn under 180 and beans in 50 or below. So we'll see. But definitely the global stocks are tightening, starting with the European drought, reducing their crops. And then like our corn crops is going to be projected to be quite a bit less than last year, 1.5 billion less bushels than last year. So supply and demand both working in a positive way for the grain prices today. Livestock, we're seeing a huge recovery in the market today. The market was tremendously oversold. August feeders are a prime example. They had dropped since late June, $30, and confirming the top, it was made back in May, but it was way oversold, too far down, and the market's just recovering because the demand after that break is definitely okay. The leadership has changed to the hogs. Feeders dropping $30. August hogs in the same time period picked up almost $10. Finally, the consumer is favoring lower priced pork versus the record high beef prices, and hogs have taken over the upside leadership in the meat complex.
All right, Bill, lots of great information today. For anybody who would like to get in touch for more marketing information and check out your newsletter, how can they do that?
630-947-5176, wmore@pricegroup.com. Check out my newsletter, Agmaster, or www.pricegroup.com, the company website. Look at the bios of Jack Scoville and myself. We've both been there a long time. We'd love to help you out.
That again was Bill Moore of Price Futures Group. We'll look at the numbers next.
Get in the fair spirit at the Iowa State Fair and save before you go. The countdown is on to the Iowa State Fair, and now's the time to plan ahead. With advance admission tickets, lock in your visit before you arrive and step into 11 days of live music, fair traditions, incredible food, and summer moments you look forward to all year long. Save $5 now. Advance tickets are available now at iowastatefair.org, on the app, and at participating Iowa Hy-Vee and Fairway stores. Celebrate fair spirit at the Iowa State Fair.
August 13th through the 23rd.
At the close, September corn up 4 3/4 at $4.49.5. December new crop up 5 1/2 at $4.73 even. August soybeans up 21 1/2 at $12.26 even. November new crop up 23 1/4 at $12.26 1/4. August soybean meal up 3.30 at $3.23.50. August soybean oil down 13 cents at $74.68. Chicago wheat down 8 3/4 at $6.74 even. Kansas City hard red winter wheat down 8.5 at $7.23 3/4. Minneapolis spring wheat down 1/4 cent at $6.91 1/2. September oats down 1/4 cent at $3.42 even. On the Merc, August live cattle up 2.10 at $226.53. August feeders up 6.05 at $3.52 even. August lean hogs down 38 cents at $101.28. August pork cutout went unchanged at $114.88. And August Class 3 milk down 42 cents at $17.40. That's been a check of the closing market prices. Thanks again to Bill Moore of Price Futures Group for joining us today here on the Iowa Agribusiness Radio Network, where Iowa Ag matters. I'm Riley Smith.